Hello guys, welcome to Street Jam. First of all, please note that the shots shown within the POV footage are not color graded. Well, first I would like to start with the character of the Bokeh, make a shootout over this lovely eagle statue. So it is a mascot of one of the most famous soccer teams in Istanbul. It is called Beşiktaş. As you can see from the eagle shots, Canon catches the XF 27mm lens as you stop it down to f2.8, and as we process to the brick wall test, we get to compare the old XF 27mm to the new one. There really are no differences, sharpness nor the color wise. So I will only compare the good old EF 1.8 to the newly released 27 XF lens. Well, the 28mm, as we have seen from the Bokeh test, this lens produces lovely results in a very characterful way. All the chromatic aberrations and fringes help me achieve that filmic look wide open. And if you want more clinical results, all you need to do is close down your aperture to 3.5 or above. It is pretty quick to focus, probably being a wide angle lens. 85 to 90% of the shots are in focus. It isn't the cheapest lens in the world, but it costs less than the newest release 27mm XF lens. And you get 2 stops of more light to your sensor. But it is bigger and heavier. Well, also note that please, you also need an adapter to use this lens on the Fujifilm cameras. Well, the adapters are like cheap when you look for them, use them. As we change to the XF 27mm, very sharp and clinical shots, and it is, I think, faster to focus than the older version. Really snappy, and being so little and light makes it a breeze to use with the Xpro3. Making it weather sealed and having an aperture clutch mechanism just makes it easier to use for different applications. Being a ninja, for instance, is a very damn easy. In conclusion, if you want the lens with good character and for different uses, low light, etc., the Canon EF is for you. But if you are looking for the coolest, fastest and smallest, then you go for the 27 XF VR. Again, the XF 27mm, the classic one, isn't anywhere behind, so getting that lens is also a great option, especially if you don't have a weather resistant body. I think this wraps it up, people. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to keep in touch.